Hi, this is Eco Electric News. And Tesla seems to be expanding. A lot. Let's talk about it. Number 1, Tesla moves to expand Gigafactory Berlin on a new 250-acre land. With the submission of the building plan to the municipality, Tesla has formally begun the process of expanding Gigafactory Berlin on a new 250-acre property. The carmaker has only recently begun production at the plant, and it is still experiencing difficulties ramping things up, but that isn't stopped the corporation from expanding the operation. Tesla has lofty ambitions for Gigafactory Berlin, including greater vertical integration to reduce its vulnerability to supply chain concerns and a ramp-up of car manufacturing to 1 million units ultimately. Tesla is looking to buy a 100-hectare plot of land near its existing Gigafactory Berlin location. The facility is now located on around 300 hectares of land that Tesla purchased for the project. According to the local paper RBB, the expansion formally began this week with the filing of the expansion application to the municipality. On Wednesday, the planned expansion of the Tesla facility in Grünheide began. According to RBB research, the U.S. electrical maker intends to extend its eastern area by around 100 hectares. However, the development plan for this region must be modified to accommodate this. The U.S. electric car manufacturer Tesla has now submitted an application as the mayor of Grünheide, Arne Christiani, confirmed. The municipality of Grünheide has submitted an application to initiate a B-plan procedure in the immediate vicinity of the current 300 hectares Get a Big B plan. The council is due to vote on the issue as soon as next week, and if the mayor is to be believed, it will be a formality, and the expansion should proceed. However, he anticipates that similar to the first phase of the project, formal clearance will take roughly a year. Meanwhile, Tesla is still attempting to increase Model Y production at the plant, but we've heard that there are some severe delays, particularly in the new paint department. Now let's get into Tesla's second expansion plans. Tesla's plan to enter the Thailand market with its EV, batteries, and solar. As its latest global expansion, Tesla has filed to enter Thailand. Surprisingly, it intends to offer not just electric vehicles, but also batteries and solar panels. It's been a while since Tesla entered a whole new market. For years, the corporation has been working hard to penetrate the Indian market, but the endeavor was put on hold early this month. Tesla appears to have shifted its focus to Thailand. According to a recent filing that has been making the rounds on social media, Tesla has applied to register its product for sale in Thailand. While Tesla has not yet officially entered the country, there are already a large number of Tesla vehicles in Thailand. They were imported privately by the owners, a criteria Tesla considers when considering entering a new market. If a large number of individuals are ready to go through the difficulty of importing the car, there is a fair possibility that there is a demand for its vehicles in the country. Back in 2020, it was reported that the Thailand police were purchasing a fleet of Tesla Model 3 vehicles for police patrol. The Thailand auto market is larger than most people realize. Over 750,000 cars were sold last year, with sales likely to increase to 800,000 to 900,000 this year. However, the majority of cars are not as expensive as Tesla vehicles. Thailand would be the first Southeast Asian country where Tesla's vehicles will be officially sold. Tesla's map still lacks any planned service facilities or superchargers, which are often the first indication of a company entering a new market. Interestingly, Tesla has now registered in Thailand to market its solar and battery as well, which have since been exclusive to the United States. And for our final headline, Tesla delays deliveries due to a missing charge port part. Tesla looks to be experiencing a severe supply problem with its charging port electronic control unit, as several owners are claiming delivery delays owing to the missing item. In comparison to the rest of the car industry, Tesla has done fairly well in the face of global supply challenges, particularly the chip shortage. While most other manufacturers' output and deliveries have slowed, Tesla has grown dramatically over the previous 2 years. However, it has not been immune to the problem, particularly with regard to the chips and control units. Tesla did warn that it anticipates different supply chain challenges to persist over the rest of the year until the bottleneck returns to battery cells sometime next year. Today is a prime illustration of this, as several Tesla purchasers are claiming delivery delays due to a missing charging port electronic control unit. According to their reports, the problem appeared in mid-April, and Tesla continued to send vehicles from the plant to local repair facilities while waiting for the replacement. Some vehicles have been at servicing shops for more than a month. One of the buyers described his situation. "My issue now is I have a VIN-assigned vehicle that was last changed on April 19 sitting at a service center without any type of estimated time of arrival for the missing part. Meanwhile, someone is pushing out cars and has the parts in stock." It seems like they've forgotten about our cars, and we are just waiting indefinitely for when Tesla decides to send them the parts. I'm actively making the payments on the vehicle. A large down payment was paid on April 28 and nothing to show for it. Several other customers are in a similar scenario, although perhaps not for payments on a car that has not yet been delivered, as that is tied to locking in interest rates in this case. Based on the number of reports, it appears to be a rather widespread issue, and the fact that Tesla is shipping the cars to repair facilities with missing parts suggests that it is impacting a large number of vehicles, or that the missing item will take a long time to arrive. Otherwise, fixing the problem in the plant would be more effective, but at this stage, it makes more sense for Tesla to transport the item to the service center, which would add additional effort to the service team. And that's it for today's video. Tell us what you think about Tesla's expansion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one coming in the future. See you later.